Good morning from the 2014 Chicago Midwinter Dental Show. My name is John Lannon and I am the senior editor for Dentistry Today magazine. With me this morning is Eric Ozelski, the North American product manager for SciCan, who will be discussing SciCan's new Sanao electric handpiece. Good morning, Eric.
Good morning, John. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Could you discuss the design of the handpiece?
Yeah, sure thing. We're pleased here at SciCan to be launching our newest handpiece to our product line, the Sanao electric handpiece. It's very interesting how we came to the design that we have with our handpiece. We actually had 35 doctors that sat down at a table with Play-Doh, and they were tasked with the question, if you were to design a dental handpiece that's optimally functional in your hand to do procedures, what would it look like? So these doctors sat down with Play-Doh, and each of them had their own design and what they felt was most comfortable. And what we did is we took all of the results from the 35 doctors that participated and accumulated that information, and basically that's what gave us our design of our Sanao electric handpiece.
What are some of the key features of this new handpiece?
Okay. Obviously, we asked the doctors about ergonomics and feel. So that's really how this handpiece differentiates itself. One thing that you'll notice is that the sides are flattened but contoured. Unlike a traditional handpiece, a lot of those handpieces are cylindrical. So when a doctor's operating, his fingertips are at a specific point on the arc of that cylinder. With our handpieces being flattened, more of the doctor's fingertips are on the sides of the handpiece, giving the doctor overall better control. One of the other features that you'll see with the design of the handpiece is the flattened neck, as well as less of an angle with the knee bend. Traditional electric attachments that have more of an angle with the knee bend, that particular part of the attachment can often inhibit access because it hits the adjacent tooth structure. Being that we were able to flatten out the bottom of the neck and the knee bend, it's going to give the doctor overall better access in the oral cavity. And to go along with the flattened sides, it is much slimmer and sleeker. Therefore, visibility in the oral cavity is very, very good for an electric handpiece. One of the other key features with the Sanao line is what we call our HPS system. HPS stands for Hygiene Protection System. SciCan, we're known as the infection control specialists, and one of the things that we did is a handpiece consists of various parts, components, and basically an inner sleeve and an outer sleeve of a handpiece. They're melded together in normal construction, but there's open areas and channels that are open to air. When a handpiece is run, these areas are susceptible to collecting junk and debris. What we've done with this HPS resin, our HPS system, is we're impregnating a composite resin into the handpiece, which is closing off these open air channels, preventing debris and junk from collecting in the handpiece.
Where can doctors go for more information about this?
Doctors can go to our website, www.scicanusa.com.
Thank you very much, Eric.
Thank you.